How to change name on Facebook. If you want to update your Facebook profile name, this video will show you how to change it step by step. First, open the Facebook application. Then tap the three lines in the top left corner. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. After that, tap on Account Center and select Profiles. Choose your Facebook profile and tap on Name. Now enter your new first name, middle name, or last name. After making the changes, tap on Review Change. Select how you want your name to appear and tap on Save Changes. Your Facebook profile name will now be updated. That's how you can change your name on Facebook easily using the Facebook app. If you found this video helpful, please